Hi friends, this is Trish and I am back with a update video. I wanted to do a quick video to update you on the how the color turned out in my human hair piece. So I can't remember the name of this, but this is the one. I'll attach the video here of my coloring and review of this. But this is the one that I got on Amazon for maybe like $100 or so, and it's no longer available, unfortunately. But I did this video to show you how the color and highlighting took to this wig piece. Now this is up and in the style that I normally wear this in. As you can see, I have this one up as well. I'll do a follow-up on this one too. I can't remember the name of this either. But this is from, this one is from Ebony line, which I love. But anyway, so this is how the coloring and the highlights took to this. Now this is the one that I did the balayage coloring on. I'm going to take this down. I wanted to kind of show you what this updo looks like. I know you really can't see this, but I'm going to take this down right now and shake this out a bit. And let me know what you guys think. This lighting out here makes this look beautiful. I mean, I think this turned out great. The reason I'm doing this video is because I really didn't think it lightened enough for me. And then I also put in this coloring gloss that came with the highlighting and balayage product. And I thought that it kind of, even though it said in the instructions that it does not alter the coloring, I kind of feel it put like this reddish auburn hue in it. But now that I see this, I don't know, like you can really see the light pieces that took here. Obviously the more highlighting and color cream you had on it, you know, really made a difference as to how well the coloring took. But there's times in lighting in like, you know, my office or something and home where it feels like it's still too dark, but now I don't know. What do you guys think? I think this looks gorgeous. It looks kind of ratty here. I know I need to comb this out, but this looks beautiful. I don't know. So here are the coloring options that I picked up. Now, I was going to use this one. This is by L'Oreal Paris. It's called Light Ash Brown French Eclair. And it's a coloring and highlights. Sorry about the glare on that. But that was my next option that I was going to use to color and add more highlighting. Then I also found this in my cabinet and stash. This is by L'Oreal Paris. This is Feria. These are awesome. I have colored my hair with this brand forever. When I was coloring my hair, people said, oh, don't use that brand, it's so harsh and blah blah blah, but I never had an issue with it. But this is high lift brown, 3 times the highlights, and it has extreme lightening for darker hair, lifts up to 3 levels with no brassiness. And this is the color of that. What is this called? High lift cool brown. And I mean, here is the result. So this really lifts. Like, this could be definitely in the medium brown or dark brown levels there. And that is how light it gets. So I kind of feel I would attempt to use this because I could never use this on my bio hair. This probably would be too harsh for me. And if I was going to do any highlighting, I would use this in my own bio hair. But I don't know. I still think I might do it and just see how it turns out. But I'm in my car obviously right now, but I am gonna go out in some natural lighting here and see if we can see what this looks like outside in some sun and maybe some other shade as well. So hold tight. Okay, I am out in some natural lighting and hopefully you can see this. You know, it does look darker out here because there is no like muted lighting really. I'm gonna come out here in some sun. And see, yeah, I mean, here when I'm looking at it, you can definitely see the reddish tones in here. But there is some beautiful highlighting in this. I'm gonna move back under here. See, there's a nice highlight area there. There's some on this side. I don't know, I think I still might attempt to do it one more time, especially for the pieces like around my face and things. I don't know if you can, I know it looks kind of ratty, but I don't know if you can see like the bottom and how it took. I mean, when I'm looking at it now, it looks really multifaceted out here in the light. I mean, there is some pieces here on the end that are just gorgeous. I don't know. I think I might do it one more time and just see how it takes. So we'll see. But I will also do an update on this piece I have on now. This is from Ebony Line. I forget the name and I forget the color. It might be creamy mocha or truffle or something. But this is my hand-tied piece that is the human hair and synthetic blend. And I'm telling you what, I love this piece. I love it, love it, love it, especially for summer. I have been wearing this nonstop because it's been so hot here in Minnesota. And you can definitely tell the difference in a piece like this, being that it's hand-tied and it just feels so much lighter. The cap is different. There's no, there's no visible wefting. What else can I tell you on this? There's no permatease, obviously, and this is a very straight piece, maybe some waves. But I will do an update video on this later where I can take this down. I do have it in a little top knot now, like a little bun, which is so cute. I don't know if you can see that. But like I said, with these longer pieces, I usually wear them up because I just love updos. So, but anyway, I will maybe come back and do an update on this piece after I lighten it again. And we'll see what happens. I think I am going to probably use that high lift coloring and highlighting kit just because I could never use that on my own hair. And I guess if I ruin this piece, well, it wasn't that expensive, I'll just say. Anyway, take care and hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I also have a ton of new pieces coming from Ebony Line, and they are some very cute pieces, some curly pieces, and so yeah, we're gonna have fun doing some wig reviews. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.